Hey now, you're a math star, get your game on, go add. Hey now, you're a math star, get your game on, go count. When all that counting is done, we'll be adding sums. How are you today, math stars? Today's a great day to do some math, I think. So let's get started. If you need to go get your book and a pencil, you can pause this and go do that. All right, let's get started. Today we're in Module 6, Lesson 5. All right. Here's our I can statement. I can picture two groups in my mind and use the images to find the total. Then model the groups with an equation. So that means we're going to see the groups. We're going to picture them in our mind. Okay. And then find the total. So let's look. Page 163. How do we write 163? Well, 163. I bet I could do that a little neater. 3. 1, 6, 3. All right. Okay. And you see this cart with some yummy fruit. I love fruit. Listen to the addition word problem. Look at the picture. Then cover the picture. How can you represent the pieces of fruit you saw? There are watermelon. Whoops. There are watermelon and, watermelon and orange samples at the fruit stand. How many pieces of fruit are there? So what you're going to do is cover the picture. Now, I'm on the computer here. I can't cover the picture, but I can go like this. Now it's covered, right? Can you close your eyes and picture that? There was some watermelon and some orange slices. Can you picture in your head what it was? How many watermelon were there? 1. And then there were how many orange slices? 2. So I picture those in my head and let's count them. 1, 2, 3. 3 fruit altogether. Let's look now and see. Let's look. Okay. There are watermelon and orange samples at the fruit stand. How many pieces of fruit are there? Let's look. How many watermelon? 1. And, right, and or plus, how many oranges? 2 equals, how many fruit are there? Closed our eyes and we counted, there were 3 pieces. All right, nice job. Okay, let's go on. Oops. Here we go. Question number 1. Look at the dot plates I am holding up. Now draw to represent the addition of what you remember seeing on the plates. Complete the equation to model the groups of dots being put together. Now, you don't see dot plates that I'm holding up, do you? So I am going to do that now. Are you ready? Here are, just a second. Okay, so I'm going to show you 1 for 1. Okay, ready? Here it is. Look at those dots on the plate. Look at them. Count them as you look at them. Okay, good. Now, close your eyes. Can you picture them? Can you picture how many dots were on the plate? This is for the first one. How many dots were there? Do you remember how many you saw? Do you remember? You're going to draw those dots on the plate. I think there were there 3? I think so. And then close my eyes. How many did I see on the other plate? I think I saw 2. How would I write that for addition? How would that be? How many are on this plate? Plus 2 equals how many? Let's see here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. All right. Nice. Now let's check. Do you guys want to check our others? Okay, let's check. It was 3 and 2. All right. Let's go now to question number 2. All right. for question number 2, here we go. Question number 2. Ready? Look at how many there are. Look at it. Okay. And then close your eyes. Can you picture how many there were? Can you picture? All right, so let's put those dots on there. How many did you see on the first plate? The first plate. There was like a line of them, right? Were there 3? I close my eyes and I think I see 3. And how many were on the other plate? I think that's what I saw. Is that what you saw? How would we write the equation for that? Let's close our eyes first and count all of those in our head. Count all of those dots that are on the plate. What would your answer be? And then we'll check. I think maybe 4. Let's see. 1, 2, 3 plus 1 equals 4. All right. Now, let's check our, let's look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 3 plus 1. Yep, that's what it was. All right. Now, real quick, why do we do this? Because sometimes we need to picture it in our head. It's really good for us to just think about it in our head and do the math in our head because our brains are so smart. We don't always have a piece of paper to write it on. You do always have your fingers to count, but sometimes we just need to like really think about math, and let's like close our eyes and really think and picture what it is in there, like going on with the math. Okay. So let's move along. Here we go. Next questions. Ooh, there's 4 of them. Okay. These kind of look like dominoes, right? Okay. These look like dominoes. So for number 3, let's look here. Ready? Ooh, let's look at this domino. Count how many are on this side. Really look at it. Okay, look at the domino. How many dots are on each side? Okay, look at those. Look at those. Count them. Now we're going to look at this domino. How many dots were there on this side? I feel like they were going at a diagonal, weren't they? Sometimes it makes it helpful if we put it exactly how we saw it, right? And then on this one, there were 2 that were going like up and down, right? Is that right? Is that what you saw? Is that what when you close your eyes, is that what you pictured? I think so. Now, how would you write that equation? I'm not going to write it for you. I want you to think about that. What would it be? How many are on this side? We're adding this group, and this group to equal how many are there? Okay. Now, you can pause this while you do that. Okay. All right. Number 4. Number 4. It looks like another domino. So let's see. Let's look at this and count how many. Let's look at it for a minute. All right. Are you ready? What did it look like? How many were in this first one? Did you see just, is that right? No, there was only 1? Okay, 1. And then how did you see this one? So how would you write that now? How many are on this side? Plus how many are on this side? Equals how many total? All right, pause this while you do that. Okay, number 5. Are you ready? I'm going to show you two cards. I want you to look at it. Look at it. Okay. Look at it for a minute. Count how many are on one side and how many are on the other. All right. And go back. How many did you see? Did you see? How many were on this side? 2. 2. Up and down like that. And how many were on this side? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Is that what you got? Is that how many you saw? All right. Let's see here. So what number would go right here? All right. This many. How many total? Right? You can close your eyes and you can count them in your head. All right, pause this while you do that. Okay, so for number 6, are you ready? I'm going to show you one. Are you ready? Look at it. Look at it. Get a really good look at it for a minute. Close your eyes and see if you can picture those dots. Close your eyes and see if you can just picture them in your head. Okay, you ready? How many? How many were in the first one? 1. Okay, how many were in this one? Close your eyes. How many? And like I said before, sometimes it helps if we do it just like it was. That's how it was set up. Okay, now what would that equation be? This many plus this many equals how many total? Can you close your eyes? Close your eyes and try to count those. And now open your eyes and count them and see. All right. Pause this while you do that, okay? All right. Look at this. There are 4 on your own questions, okay? So please go find your homeschool parent, your homeschool teacher, to read you the directions. This is your time to show them what you know. So do the problems all by yourself, okay? Show them what you have learned. All right. Great job today, masters. I will see you tomorrow.